Hey, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors in Port Richey, Florida. Today we're starting this two-car garage with baseboard. The slab's in really good shape, but the baseboards are pretty bad. So we're definitely going to have a lot of repairs into these once we get them ground back. As you can see, they're really rough. I mean, everywhere. There's no good place here. So this is a two-car garage with optional baseboard. And we're also doing a lanai at the back of the house with this project as well. So I'm getting set up and getting started, and we're going to start grinding in just a few minutes. Okay, so here's the porch portion of this job. As you can see, there's knockdown. And what I'm doing now is I'm removing this knockdown so I can actually get a diamond grinder on there. This has got a special tool on it just for coatings removal. It's called PCD wheel. So that's the first step. We're going to get the knockdown off, and then we're going to hand grind it again. Okay, our grind, prep, and repairs are done. So you can see the grinding's done. We got a really nice profile on this floor. Lots of pores to hold on to our epoxy. Repairs are done. The baseboards are prepared. We have a couple batches of thickened epoxy, and then the rest of the epoxy for the floor. So we're all ready to put this floor in just a few minutes. Okay, here's our grind, prep, and repairs all done. See, we really got down to some good aggregate. You just round off, got rid of that knockdown. So now we're just down the concrete. It's going to get good adhesion back here. So we're going to put this floor in about 15 minutes. And we're done for today. Today turned out to be a long day. Okay, here's our project, final. So this was a two-car garage with optional baseboards. We did a full diamond grinding. And when we did the baseboards, you can see in the previous segments, we put a lot of repairs into them to get them just right. So we did fill the control joints. That's why we have a seamless surface. We just finished putting a polyaspartic top coat, which is UV stable, very durable. There's just some more details around the fixtures. This color is Domino, which is a simple blend of black, white, and gray. It's very bright, nice looking blend in and of itself. So you can see that here. We square it up and round it over the lead-in edge. Okay, and here's the add-on to the project. This color blend is Coyote. So we ground off the knockdown. Then after we ground off the knockdown, we went back and ground the concrete. Did some repairs. And this is the final result. I believe the customer is going to have this screened in. So what's nice about it, if you get it done before the screen comes, the rails sit right on top of the floor. Looks good. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, New Port Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.